Hey everyone, Megan here from Penticton Nissan. Seeing how it's March and we have daylight savings time coming up soon, I thought I would show you two different ways to change your clock in your Nissan so that you can have the right time set on your vehicle. Okay, so on your Nissan, there's a couple different ways you can change your clock. You can do it in your information center straight ahead, or you can do it in the head unit under settings. So let's take a look at both options. So if you scroll through till you find the settings, scroll down past the first page and you'll find clock. In clock, you hit OK. We're going to set clock manually. And because we're sprinting forward, we're going to go to 6 over 1. Make sure the time for the minute's correct. And then OK to set. Same idea in the head unit. We're going to go into settings. Under settings, you'll look for clock. Under clock, we're going to set manually. And you can spring forward right here. Can also set up the date and time, the date as well. And once you're done, you either hit the back button here or there. And just like that, we've sprung ahead an hour. Well, that wasn't too hard. I gave you two different ways to set your clock on your Nissan, either through the drive assist display or through the head unit. Either way works. It's just to your preference. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to stay up to date on all my content, I'm going to have tons more coming out now that summer is coming and spring. So stay up to date, hit the subscribe button.